Hello everyone, BowserCrush19 here, and welcome back to the snack review. Where, you remember a while back, there was they released KitKat duos with the mint and dark chocolate. They've now done a strawberry kind. Strawberry and dark chocolate. You know what? Fuck it, let's just get right back in. Fuck. Whoa. Would you look at that? Oh, the snap. By the way, I got, on my way into work, I found this at a local grocery store. Anyway. Oh, it's so fucking good. Uh-oh. Bro. Rock. I'm not doing a review, I'm just showing that I got some. But that is really good. It really reminds me of chocolate dipped strawberries. Because that's essentially what it is. Fucking fireworks. 4th of July is over. Stop lighting off fireworks, you dingus. Anyway, I'm wrapping it up here. Make sure you like the video. Comment down below. Tell me what I should try next. Associate channels will also be down in the description below. Subscribe, ding, notification bell, don't miss any future uploads, and stay awesome. And BowserCrush19 signing off. See ya!